Eagle safety cans come in two styles, Type 1 and Type 2. Each provides for safe handling of flammable liquids. Type 1 cans have a single opening for filling or pouring. They provide a safe yet economical solution in refueling applications where there's easy access to the fuel tank's fill port. An ergonomic trigger and handle provide a comfortable grip for easy opening and pouring. They are available with or without funnels, which are removable and fit snugly onto the spout. The Type 2 cans have a flexible metal hose and two openings, one for filling and one for pouring. The hose allows for fueling a deeper, recessed, or otherwise hard-to-reach fuel tanks, like those found on vehicles. The Comfort Grip trigger actuates the spring-closing fill port lid and the valve to provide a precise, smooth, and fast fill. Hoses are available in 5/8 or 7/8 inch diameter. For safety, both types of cans have a spring-loaded, self-closing lid with a nitrile rubber gasket that prevents spills. This lid automatically vents at 3 to 5 psi to relieve pressure, thereby preventing rupture or explosion in a fire. The non-sparking stainless steel flame arrestor and brass pour spout are two essential safety features to reduce the chance of a fire from a contact spark. Our cans meet OSHA and NFPA Code 30 requirements, are UL and ULC listed, and are FM tested and approved. The can's body is constructed of one piece of deep-drawn galvanized steel to prevent rusting. The baked-on powder coat finish is durable and long-lasting. A double interlocking seam at the bottom of the can reduces the risk of leaks over the life of the safety can. Various colors help identify the contents: red for gas, yellow for diesel, blue for kerosene, and green for oils. Cans come in various capacities to fit your needs. For more information, see all our safety cans at eagle-mfg.com.